Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Santa Fe, stock number 6487. This ran from the 9th of 2009 to the 6th of 2012. It's a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4 HP 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door no dents. Right front guard. Right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front utility light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Instrument cluster.